Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm a father of Novak, who is 9, has a rare genetic mutation, which is coupled with autism. I came across QT online and decided to engage with the staff from the company that produces QT, and we quickly realized that it's based on the ABA therapy that our son has been working on. Once QT arrived, the initial sessions, let's say, weren't so easy. They didn't last too long. But very quickly, maybe after a couple of months, doing it 2 to 3 times a week, when the schedule allows, we saw quite a bit difference. And now if we fast forward 5-6 months, we do on average around 90-minute sessions with breaks in between, and we are seeing the progress. So it's great, first of all, that the whole program is supported by staff that's really available. Online, we have about every 5 to 6 weeks online meetings. So once we feel that he has mastered the lessons that we have been working on, and we can also see it on the online platform and we can see the data of his progress, then we engage the team. We have a discussion with a specialist who reviews his progress and suggests what could be the next lessons to progress. For us as a parent, it's really great now to see that he actually also asks for QT. What's great is that he listens to QT's instructions without us having to do any prompts. He actually listens to what QT says and responds, whether it's verbally or non-verbally, using the iPad or speaking himself. So that was quite a major difference. The sessions have increased from about half an hour to now almost 90 minutes. And he enjoys it very much. We see the difference, for example, that if I haven't worked with QT and Novak for a week, I can see that some of the lessons that were harder, now the number of answers is much better, because he has worked with my wife, for example, during that week. So that shows the progress. And as I said, you can see from the data the percentage of his right responses. It's quite easy to follow, especially when we get the program from the team. We can then easily follow that every session and work with it. So for a parent that hasn't had any experience of therapy, it's actually very, very easy to follow. Our son likes it. He asks for it. He's happy to sit. And yeah, it's a really easy 90 minutes where if we had to structure the session ourselves, of course, it would be much more difficult. We took QT a couple of times on holiday with us because it's something that our son enjoys. And if there is a relaxed time or there is a bit of a space in the day, he happily sits down and works for us. It's really helpful to get support from the specialist and to discuss with them what's the progress. There are many, many, many lessons in the software. So there's always room to work on to keep the momentum and to keep development. So we are very happy with our decision.